Hello, and welcome to a quick part 3 in my How to Make a Conversation series. And today we're going to discuss family and who else we might live with. Family, the most common people we live with. We have our mom, our dad, their parents, grandmother, or grandma for short, grandfather, or grandpa for short. And as the youngest is the child or daughter or son. Daughter is for a girl and son is for a boy. Child is gender neutral. Mom is for a woman. Dad is generally for a man. Grandma generally for a woman. And grandpa generally for a man. There's also spouse. Spouse is gender neutral, meaning not for a man or woman, but for anyone. Spouse means you're married, like mom is dad's spouse. Grandpa is grandma's spouse. They are married. Parent is when you have a child. So the daughter's parent is her mom and dad. This dad's parents, maybe the grandma and the grandpa. And finally, sibling. Just like parent and spouse, these are all gender neutral terms. They don't have gender, not woman or man. Could be any. And that's sibling. Sibling is when the dad and mom have multiple kids. And the kids, brothers and sisters, are siblings. Siblings together. Excellent. Some questions you might get about your family and describing them. Often, if you have kids, if you say you have children, they'll ask, how old are they? How old are your kids? Maybe they are 19 years old. If you have multiple kids, you just list the ages right there. Say they are 11, 7, and 2 years old. And then normally they respond, oh, so cute. Do you have any pictures? Show pictures on your phone. That's very common in a conversation. They might ask, what does he do? What does your son do? They're asking about work. They ask about work. If they don't work, if they're young, you can say, he is too young, or he is a student. He is a student. If he works, say where they work. He works at the airport. Or what they do. Maybe he works as a policeman. Something else they might ask, what is she like? What is your daughter like? That means describe their personality. Maybe you would say, she is very outgoing, or she's friendly, or she's shy, or she's wonderful. I love her. Whatever you want to say. Someone might also ask, do you have any pets? Your pets live with you. You might have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a bird. I do not have a bird. I wish I had a dog. You might live with someone who is not your family. If you live with someone who is a friend or a stranger, you would call them your roommate. That's my roommate. And that's the end of the lesson today. I hope you enjoyed and take care.